unbelievable. Have you ever slept next to a snore? We're all living healthy, eating avocado and shit. You bitches still snore. Who knows? So, does anybody snore? Raise your hand if you snore. It's quiet as a child. I said, raise your hand, not your elbow. You was like. I didn't ask what your social security number is. I just said, does a bitch snore? It's okay. Bitch, I snore. I will fuck your world up. You know what I'm saying? You ever met somebody and you be like, oh, you're so sweet. You're so nice and you pay for shit. Why are you single? Because every time I go on a date and we get to that level and I go to sleep watching a movie, bitch, I snore.